All right, what's up, YouTube? So I am dressed and ready. Still golden. We're getting richer and richer. Get this money. Empire still golden. We're getting richer and richer. Oh, we're getting richer and richer. Oh, we're getting richer and richer. Yeah, we're getting richer and richer. Oh, we're getting richer and richer.
In the middle of it all, I drop step and I bang on him. I came here to ball. I ain't playing no games with him. I came to win it all. Get the trophies in the limelight like Dancing with the Stars. For the money in the car.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Cash Kids Family Channel. It's me, it's Mom, and I'm in my PJs still because I haven't got dressed yet, and I'm getting ready to go grocery shopping in a few. Yes, so it's Friday, it's the weekend, and that means festivities are on the way. So stay tuned to the Cash Kids Family Channel. We're going to be keeping you guys entertained. Look, guys, what I have to go through. We're going to be keeping you entertained. So make sure you guys stay tuned to the Cash Kids Family Channel. We're going to keep you guys entertained. We're going to keep you entertained. So stay tuned to the Cash Kids Family Channel, right, Teddy? So thank you guys for tuning in. Just getting our day started. It's the weekend. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. But yeah. Welcome back, guys, to the Cash Kids Family Channel. What's up, YouTube? So I am getting ready to head out to go to the grocery store. I got out of my pajamas. I am dressed in this green two-piece. It's like a jogging suit, guys. That's what I'm wearing to the grocery store. Little nice casual jogging suit. But just checking in with you guys. I'm getting ready to head out, and I'll keep you guys posted throughout the day. I just got a phone call from the school, so I will be going to pick up my daughter, Princess Chanel. She's not feeling well, so again, we'll just check back in throughout the day and see you guys soon. Later. Hey guys, so I'm heading to the school right now to pick up my daughter. And then we're going to go to the grocery store after we pick her up. All right, guys. See you soon.
When I was sick and I had to go to Georgia, then Brody came.
Oh, and he's going to stay at school. We're going to leave him here and then come back and get him later. Okay?
Sticks! Pick up sticks! Pick up some sticks! Pick up some sticks!
Doesn't look like she's sick to me. Hey guys, so we are at the store. As I mentioned, we need to do grocery shopping. So we are getting our groceries and some last minute items because we have a birthday party to go to
birthday?
this weekend. So yep. So this is where are we at? We're at the store picking up a few items.
That's for Luna's birthday. Wait, we're gonna all get up, get dressed and stuff?
Oh guys.
Luna's birthday is today?
Luna's birthday was yesterday, but her party is tomorrow. Tomorrow. Alright, so let's go look for
So now we're gonna start her birthday today.
birthday bag to put
Oh, I know. She likes pink like me too. So
a
I know
birthday
what
gift bag
And we're gonna get her a card too.
over here.
Birthday stuff is over here. Where's the birthday stuff? I'm gonna get her.
Oh, wait a minute. They got Brigitte, come here for a second. Because I need some candy. Brigitte, hold up. They got this candy marked down and I need some for Halloween, 50% off. This candy is 50% off. I need some of this candy. If it's check it and see.
Birthday. So this stuff is for tomorrow for us. I have to go to the bathroom. I have to go to the bathroom so bad, Mom. I promise. I pinky promise I have to go really bad, Mom. Mom.
Wait a second.
Yo no sé por qué sale y lo cerraron allá y esto lo dejaron abierto.
Hey guys, so we're back home and I made Princess Brigitte some waffles.
Mom, you
and
gotta
a
tell
ginger
her
ale.
at home because Brody not home.
Yeah, we're at home because you didn't feel well.
Yeah.
So you're going to have some waffles and ginger ale. Okay, we already gave her some medicine. And now she's going to eat some waffles and ginger ale. So, we'll see you guys back soon. So guys, this is the list of things that I've got at the grocery store. We needed some juice, we needed some meats, some odds and ends, miscellaneous. Got my Gloria collard greens. I use these, I mix these in with my my fresh collard greens to add some more flavor. So I got that. That's going to be what I use for Thanksgiving. We got some Hawaiian punch juices for the kids, some ginger ales for the sick ones. And over here we got some goodies, some cheese, some shredded cheese. I used my Parmesan for my chicken Parmesan, or my pasta, my favorite. I like to make pasta, so this is something that I use for my pasta. Parmesan cheese, the shredded Parmesan cheese. Got some cereal, some burgers, medicine for the babies, some Oreos, lunch meat, pizza, chips, more juice over here, spaghetti sauce. So we picked up a couple things from the store. As I mentioned, over here we got some French fries and these spicy garlic chicken bites. I'm gonna have to give those a try. Got some sweet potato pie and some cookies. So we did pretty good at the store, guys. All right, so next I'm going to get into my seafood boil that I got. So I'll see you on the next clip with that. All right, hey guys, this is the seafood boils from Hooks and Reels. I got snow crabs, shrimp, eggs, potato, and corn. I am enjoying my seafood boil. Trying to, at least, because it's hard to enjoy it and hold the camera at the same time. The Teddy over there making noises. Can't even enjoy my seafood boil in peace.
I'll be back, guys.
Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for following. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our videos. And we'll see you guys back on the next video. Peace.